here where everybody can see. Hopefully he's here. That would be really good, you know? Hey, hey guys, ShowMeMudders, Freddie, you guys are doing this to raise money for a great cause. We think it's awesome. Let me tell you something, dude. With personal love for ShowMeMudders, we love you guys. Thanks for putting the brand on the side, too. We appreciate everything, and as always, it's great to see you guys all around the country. We probably see you guys more than I see my own family, and it's all good. All right, the winner is Mitchell Rowland. Mitchell Rowland out of Barnwell, Kentucky is what it says. Mitchell, if you are out here, come running up, and you have got a brand new mud truck. 293. 293 on the ticket is the winning number.